So guys, welcome back. You have one of those cheap tablets that won't charge you anymore. You know, typically they have this 3.7 volt lipo cell or whatever, and it won't charge. And if you plug the tablet into the charger, it just continues to, the screen flashes and it doesn't really do anything, and it won't charge the battery at all. So I'll show you what the problem is. Let's see if I can do that without showing out. So usually it's because the voltage of the battery has gone below the 3.7 volts. So I'll just measure this one. You can see it's like 3.1. Yeah, so basically that's the problem right there. It will not bring the voltage back up to 3.7. So what you need is one of these power supplies where you can control the voltage and the current, and then you just put it to 3 point something like this, 3.2. Since we had 3.1 volt across the battery, I'll just put something so it doesn't blow up in my face. So reconnect the alligator clips from the power supply to the battery. And see if we can get it to eat some amps. So now I gave it 3.5 volts and I adjusted the current a little bit upwards, so I can see that it's actually eating the current now. And I'll give it a little more so you can see it's yeah, give it a little bit more volts. Three 3.6. See the amps going down. That's a good sign. That basically means that the battery is charging. So just leave it like that until it doesn't really, the amps don't go down anymore. Then it means that the battery usually will be on that voltage you have on the right. So 3.6. We should try to set it to 3.7. Oh. You should actually be charging it at a higher voltage, I'm guessing. But just to prove a point here, it takes a little bit of fiddling around, and after a while you get the voltage back up on that battery, and you can put it back into the tablet, and then the tablet should be able to charge again. So yeah, should maybe have a look now and see how high the voltage is now at the battery. I'll just switch off the power supply, disconnect it, take the protection off. So now we have the battery back here. Let's see if we can balance this stupid phone. Yeah, and we see if we can see. So voltage went up a little bit. So if you leave the power supply attached to the battery, you'll eventually end up with a battery with 3.7 volts, and then it should be ready to roll. But it takes a little bit of time. Anyways, good luck, and don't try this at home, kids. It might blow up in your face.